Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm here with a TikTok trend tutorial called Fantasize, Advanced Result. Get your clips ready. Go to Video Effects and then go to Texture and select Doodle Diary. Set Texture 0, Sticker 0 and Filter also 0. Make its length equal to the length of first clip. Clip on the clip and go to Adjust. Go to Saturation and set it -50. Now click on second clip and go to Animation. And select Bottom Swing and set its duration 0.2 seconds. Apply this animation to other 3 clips as well. Go to Video Effects and then go to Opening and Closing. And select Oblique Blur. Set Blur 100 and rotate 50. Make the length of the effect about 0.2 seconds. Now add a keyframe at start of the effect and another at the end. Set the blur 0 at the end keyframe. Copy the effect 4 times and drag the last copy to the start of next clip. Repeat this process till 5th clip. Now add a white overlay at the start of second clip. Zoom it to fit into the frame and make its length shorter, about 0.2 seconds. Go to Blend and select Overlay. Now go to Animation and select Fade Out, and set its duration to full. Then copy it and drag it to the start of next clip and so on. Go to Video Effects, then go Nightclub and select Black Flash 2. Set its intensity 10 size 0 and twist 0. Make its length to full. Now again, go to Video Effects and select Play Pendulum. Set its intensity 20, twist 0, speed 20 and sharpen 0. Now save this much to your storage. Come back to the same project and add the video we just saved. Split the first clip out. And split out the blank part too. Turn off its volume. Now go to Overlay, then go to Stock Video and add White Page. It must be between first and second clip equally. Now zoom it to fit into the frame. Make the overlay shorter, about 0.2 seconds. Then go to Mask and select Film Strip. Rotate it to 90 degrees using your 2 fingers. Also make it thinner. Now widen the view if you want and add 3 keyframe, 1 in mid, 1 at start. Drag the overlay at left end of frame. Add another keyframe at the end of overlay. And drag the overlay to the right end of frame. Copy the overlay and drag it between 5th and 6th clip that we added later. Move to the end of the video and add the glitch outro as overlay. Link given in description. Zoom it to fit into the frame. Go to Blend and select Filter. And we're done.